Thought I'd do a quick video today just chatting about what I bring and what I travel with on a shoot. This shoot is a little different. We are DPing our own shoot with the company that I work for. So typically we hire a DP being a director of photography, the guy behind the camera. Normally we outsource that, find a vendor, and we'll bring some gear. But this week we kind of had a DP fall through, so now we're having to pick up the slack a little bit on that end, so we are shooting it. So we have brought a little bit more gear than usual, not too much, but I'll just run through it. For those who don't know or are new here, my name's Justin. I'm been in the video industry for about 10-ish years now, probably a little bit longer than that. And yeah, I just thought I'd start to unpack some of the tips and tricks that I've learned, and also some of the gear that I get to use, because it's pretty freaking cool. If you like it, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll do more videos like this, and it lets me know what you want, what you enjoy, and hopefully you enjoy it. So anyway, let's get into it. So this right here, this cart is amazing. Everything that this is on. This cart is called a master cart. It's expensive for what it is, but it has taken beating after beating and is still running and working great. So I love this thing. On top of this, we have our Red Raptor case. This is our travel case. I believe it's made by Jason Case. Oh no, this is a different one. I forget who it is. I'll plug it or put it in the description. But they make a case that our Red Raptor goes into, so we don't have to break down the entire camera. We can kind of leave the top handle and different things on. Makes life a little bit easier, and has extra storage in it for our SSD, our CFast media and transfer stuff, as well as a few little bits and pieces that are needed for the camera. This one is our miscellaneous Pelican. This is a 1620 case, a little bit bigger than we usually take, but we have our Easy Rig in this that we were able to pack down. And then we had batteries and stuff like that we've obviously pulled out now and have on the charger. Then we bring a bunch of other stuff like AKS kits, which stands for all kinds of stuff, is the politically correct way of saying that. This one right here, which I believe you can see on the mat, on this, whatever this is, little seat thing, is our Cinema AKS. We have Black Pro mists, filters, ND filters, polarizers, little quick release system, dovetail in there, which is on the camera already, matte box, 2 matte boxes actually, and then some like sizing rings and lens cleaning stuff and stuff like that. So that's our cinema kit, or Cinema AKS. And then we have a regular AKS as well, which that one has our wireless system, so like a Teradek, as well as a director's monitor, and then cables and all sorts of stuff like that that you just need on set. So that's kind of and then lenses, then we got lenses and tripods that we bring with us. So that's kind of like an overview of what the shoot will be, and kind of roughly what we normally take, minus this case with all the Easy Rig stuff and the tripods. Normally I'm taking about 7 cases with me on set when I'm traveling, or with me to the location. So if you're traveling with a lot of cases, this master card you can just check it in, and it's good to go. But now let's talk about our big boy cameras. This right here is the Red Gemini. It's an older camera, but it is still a great camera. This will be primarily our B cam. We'll only really use it as needed for the interview, and then we'll leave it set up just in case something happens to our main camera. But typically, once we're done with our interview setup, which this shoot is a 2-day shoot, and 1 interview on the first day, and then B-roll for the rest of it all. So yes, this will go for B-roll, B-cam, and then this bad boy right behind it, right here, is our Red Raptor VVXLX. This thing is a beast of a camera. We just updated it last year to the X version, which is the global shutter. if you don't know what that is, I can explain that in another video. Just let me know and I can kind of break it down, or you can search it for yourself. But primarily, it essentially is a lot better of a sensor for capturing like fast motion or whip pans or anything like that. It's not going to give you the weird tilty lines that you sometimes see on other cameras like a mirrorless camera or DSLR. Anyway, long story short. But this is a beast of a camera. So this shoots 8K RAW, like I said before. It does ProRes as well, same with the Red Gemini in front of it. But I mean, you're not really going to shoot in ProRes if you got this camera. If you got this camera, you're going to shoot in RAW. Downside about this camera's file sizes are massive. We have a 2 terabyte CFast Express Type B card that we put in here, and we will chew through about 2 of them on this shoot, if not maybe a little bit more. Probably not, hopefully not. But yeah, overall for the 2 cameras, we'll probably end up shooting over 4 terabytes of footage, which is a lot of footage. So if you're going to shoot on, rent this camera, or if you buy it or whatever, like just make sure you have enough storage and you have fast storage so you can transfer this stuff off, and it's not going to be taking all night or 6 hours to do. Because that is just a nightmare. I've been there, done that, never want to do it again. So just be ready for this. This is a beast in every sense of the word. So yeah, this will be the setup, and we love it. It works well. It's great for a little bit overkill for what we do, but it will do this and more than we need ever. But yeah, that's kind of the setup. It also comes with, a special thing about this camera is also, this is a V-mount plate for the batteries. This is dual voltage, meaning this regular battery that we have here, this is a, This is a Hypercore Neo. This is a 98 watt hour battery, but this primarily, I think, only puts out 14 volts, 12 amps is the max load that this can take. Our big boy cameras for this beast of a camera, let me see if I can get it off real quick. This is a little bit bigger of a battery. It's 150 watt hours, but it will output 14 volts like this one and 28 volts. So this camera takes 28 volts to power the sensor, to power some of the peripheral DTAP ports and stuff for powering any accessory that you put on this. So it's a little bit different of a battery. If you ever get this camera and end up trying to figure out why I can't record in certain formats and why some of the ports aren't working or something like that, most likely you have the wrong battery on it. It will turn on with a regular 14 volt battery, but you'll just lose a lot of functionality with it. So just do research before you rent it. Make sure that you rent it with the dual volt batteries, because that can be a headache if you don't. But yeah, that's kind of an overview of what's going on this week. We're also filming with the Canon Cine lenses. But yeah, it should be a pretty chill week. I can go into any detail about any of this stuff if you like as well. But let me know if you like this video. Give me a like, hit that subscribe button to see some more content like this. And it just helps and lets me know if you're enjoying it. Write a comment on what you want to see, if you want to see a breakdown, or what you would do in this situation. This, I think, personally is an overkill, but I love geeking out on this stuff for the shoot. But I love it, yeah. So it's good. Ask me questions. I got 10 years of experience being in here, doing everything from editing to now being on sets and filming, DPing, you name it. So live production, all that sort of stuff. Anyway, yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Again, let me know if you liked it. Let me know what you'd like to see, or if you want to see any breakdowns or any other stuff. If you want to learn about this Mastercard or anything else, how I travel with the gear or anything about the cameras, let me know, and I'll answer them and get back to you. All right, peace out. Laters.